Welcome back friends to another video by Smartest Blogger, and in this video I am going to share with you a WhatsApp viral script for Republic Day 2021. So stay with us for getting the script, and don't forget to subscribe to Smartest Blogger YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications time to time. Here on the screen you can show this my smartestblogger.com website. Here you can see I have written post on Republic Day vision script for 2021. You want to click on this post and you will get directed on this page. On this page you will get all the needy information in the written form. You may read this all information or watch this video. Link is in the description box. So here you can see, if you don't know what is blogging or what is a blogger or it is good career or not, you may visit this page or post, so you will clear your all the doubts regarding the blogger or blogging. So I will cut this page and get directed to our main topic. So our first step for making Republic Day script is to download the script code which is mentioned in my website. You want to click on this. You want to click on download button and your timer will get started. If you also want this timer script, then watch the video in the I button and get it. So our timer has been completed, and now click on download file. After clicking on it, you will get directed on the Google Drive download page. So from that page you want to download the script. So here you can see the download button has been mentioned. I will click on that button. So my downloading has been started. I will save it. Our downloading has been finished. So we will go to our main page and see the following steps. So our first step has been completed. Our second step is to go to Blogger and create a new Blogger account. So and change its theme to Essential and convert it into first generation. So here I will create a new Blogger account and I will give it name as Republic Day. You can give whatever you want. Click on next and give any address as you wish. So here you can see I have given an address, so I will click on save. After doing this whole process, you want to change its theme to Essential. It is very important method. If you don't do this, then you will get error. So we will change its theme. So scroll down and search for Essential. Click on this and click apply. So our theme has been applied it. So we will convert it into first generation. So our next step is to convert it into first generation without any backup. So click on skip without backup. After doing this, our next step is, so here you want to go to edit HTML button. Here you can see a navigation bar is mentioning on the top of the page. So if you want to remove this navigation bar, you want to click on this down button and click on change nav bar. After doing this, again you want to open the list and click on off. After clicking on off, save the changes, and after refreshing the page you will see the changes. So I will refresh it, and here you can see the changes. So our first step is to extract the code. So the password of the file is Smartest Blogger. I will mention it on the screen. So the most important thing is to enter the password 2 times, which has been mentioned on the screen. If you not get the password on the screen, you may visit my site and copy that paste and paste it to your code. So copy this whole code to clipboard and open Notepad++ or any text editor. So here I using Notepad++. I will paste this whole code here. After pasting this code, save the changes. After saving this file, again copy all the code and go to your Blogger account. After going there, click on Edit HTML. You want to erase this whole code mentioning here and paste that code. So paste it here. After doing this, you want to save the changes. After saving this, you can refresh your page and see the sudden changes. So here I will type my name and you can see in the mobile form how it's look. So here I will type Smartest Blogger and click on OK. So see, this is our wishing script. It is very interesting script. It is very attractive for the whole users. So if you want to know how to monetize our wishing script without AdSense in the genuine method, then see the video which has been mentioned in the I button or link is in the description box. You may can check it. So here I will show you with proof that I have placed Google AdMob ads in my wishing script. So I will search my site. I will enter my name. After entering name, I will click on OK. Here you can see Google Ads are running. If you also want to run Google Ads on your wishing script, then see the video which is mentioned in the I button. So I will click on this ad and I will show you ads by Google. So this is not fake, it is a genuine trick to add a Google Ads on wishing script without AdSense with use of Google AdMob. So watch that video in the I button to earn from wishing script. Thank you. So thank you guys for watching this whole video and supporting me. If you like this wishing script, then like this video and share it with your blogger friends for knowing them this script. So thank you guys. So at last, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all the notification time to time. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.